ఓకేనా?
ఓకే.
ఒకటే సైడ్ ఊగుతుందా?
ఓకే ఓకే.
నేను అటు కూర్చోనా?
ఓకేనండి.
ఏం కాదా?
ఏం కాదు, మంచి కూర్చోను, భయపడకుండా. వీడియో తీస్తున్నాను.
నేను అటు కూర్చుంటాలే.
ఏమద్దు, అది జరుగు కొంచెం.
Welcome to the Niagara
జరుగు,
Skyway.
ఏం కాదు.
For your safety, please remain seated and do not lean against the gondola doors. For your convenience, we've provided 4 illuminated control buttons in the ceiling. The red button will alert the operator to check the gondola to see if there's a problem. The white button is for interior lights, and the blue button will turn audio on and off.
గట్టిగా పట్టుకుంటా నిన్ను. నన్ను పట్టుకో గట్టిగా. నేను కలుగుతున్నా.
The Skywheel will rise 175 feet above the ground and provide a picture-perfect view of both the Canadian Horseshoe and American Falls. Combined water flow is estimated at over 750,000 gallons per second, which crash into the gorge below. Looking to the south, you'll see the Falls View Casino and the Skylon Tower, the Canadian Horseshoe Falls in the background. Further south, you'll see Marineland and their triple Ts. Of course, the view to the east is of Niagara Falls, Ontario, and Morgan Rides in Wichita, Kansas. Construction of the wheel took over 6 months, requiring a workforce of 200 people in order to complete the project for its opening in June of 2006. The wheel stands 53 meters tall and is equipped with 42 climate-controlled gondolas, which were designed and built in Switzerland. The speed of the wheel is set at approximately 4.5 kilometers per hour, which allows a perfect opportunity to sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. Excluding loading and unloading, a full ride cycle of 3 revolutions has an approximate duration of 8 minutes. The windows have been developed to minimize the glare of the sun and allow for great picture opportunities. Enjoy your ride on the Niagara Skywheel.
పట్టడానికి ఏమి ఇస్తే బాగుండేది కదా సరదాగా. వాటర్ ఫాల్స్
ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కారండి, 3rd రౌండ్ అది.